No idea where Sanger's going. I don't even think he knows where he's going. Hey, Jamie from New Zealand Mountain Biking, here with Sam, and we're about to do grinder. Alright, here we go, grinder. This trail's pretty sweet because it's got multiple lines. It'll test your ability to read and run, trail scanning, a couple of cool routes, side hits. Yeah. Right, and it's in the macrocarpus, which is super cool because it means just cut left again, bro. Cut left means you can literally ride anywhere. Up. And lucky we don't have derailleurs. No idea where Sanger's going. I don't even think he knows where he's going. That's kind of the beauty of it. Whew. Love bringing people down here and just saying, I meet you at the bottom. Follow your nose. You're gonna have a good time. And naturally people go where they want to go anyway. And then you cut out here if you want. If you like the pain, you can carry on the undulating section up there to the left. But this is us at the bottom. So remember, if you like what you see, subscribe and check out our other videos. Chibble!